Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in today. This is Mike Makers from makersgeneration.net. So today we keep going on the Scratch tutorials. So for those of you who don't know too much about it, so you can see in the link below in the description some videos I have made before. So explaining from the beginning how to start with Scratch. So we got the cat. So let's put the cat here. Let's say we need another character.
Drifting away, yeah. The time was given, wasn't able to escape, yeah. $1 million finally pulled me out the trenches, but all the
dog, if you like to talk, you need to turn on the other side. So let's try to do that. I don't want you to look the other side. You got your friend here. You need to talk the other side. So yeah, there it is. So we can do that. So guys, to start, just let's say it's like in real life. You need to make introduction, introduce ourselves. So let's say hi, what's your name? You say that during 2 seconds. After that, the blue dog answer. After that, the cat says something. It's gonna be a go back and forth. So let's say to start, let's click on this. Firstly, we need to click on the character we want to code. Here is gonna be the cat. So when it's done, you click on event and you click on when I click on the green flag. So when I click on the green flag, I want to say, like, let's say hi, say hello for 2 seconds, and after that it needs to know I say hello. So to do that, you need to go back to events, and you go to broadcast message. Yeah, and there you click on just give it a name, just to give a name. You click on hi. Okay, so he say hello. He wait 2 seconds, and after that, when his 2 seconds finished, he sends something to the blue dog. So here I click on the blue dog now. So I need to go to event, and here we go. Here it is. When I receive hi, because I just created the hi thing. The dog, you need to go back to look. Now the dog need to talk. The cat say hello, so the dog gonna say, let's say hi. And when it's done, we also need to put it like this. So when it's done talking, the dog needs to send also something to the cat. Say, yeah, I've finished. So yeah, it's your time to talk now. So let's go back to event and say broadcast new message. How are you? How are you? That's just a name you give it. It's not the real speech. How are you? Okay. And now I go back to the cat, because this is really talk. So we talk. This is what we do. We do talk. And wait. Oh, I'm sorry. That was not a good one. Broadcast. How are you? New message. Yes, how are you? Now I need to go back to the cat. Yeah, we take this one now. We take another one. When I receive, and we click here. When I receive, how are you? Yeah, it's really easy. We go back to looks and say, and the cat says, how are you? And it needs to know that we're talking. So now I do as I did before. I go back to events and I take broadcast, this one, not broadcasting, wait, broadcast this one, and I click on new message and say, how are you, dog? Let's just give it to me. How are you, dog? Broadcast, how are you, dog? Go back here. So it's the blue dog. and I choose when I received. I click on the arrow here, say how are you dog, this is it, and let's say something for 2 seconds, put it here, say I'm doing good, I'm doing good, how are you cat. Now also he needs to say, I know this is a lot of back and forth, but that's, you know, when you do that, just the kids, you just take the time to do it. It's pretty easy to do. Just enjoying it. It's about enjoying. So create a new message. How are you cat? And that's it. Now again, one more time, we go back to the caddy, and we choose this one when I received. And one more time, we click on the arrow, create a new message. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, let's say we take looks before. Say I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay, dog. And now we go back to the tab, go to event, and we choose broadcast, create a new message, give it a name. I'm okay, dog. That's good. So now we need to go back to the dog one more time, and that's gonna be the last, because we can go back, you can go like this, like forever, and say I'm okay, dog. Let's do something different. We go to sound. So what the dog gonna do? The dog gonna play a sound. Okay, what's a dog sound? We'll see. Or we can choose a sound, you know, so no big deal about that. You can choose a sound. Good. Okay, I need to go back. So we go here. You got the tab sound, and you scroll down, and you can choose the sound here. You can record your own sound, or you can choose the sound among all the sounds that we got here. So let's go back to animal. Oh, that's okay. Go back to code, and that's more or less it. Okay, let's go back to looks, and it says I'm barking. I'm barking. Alright, so that's more or less it. Let's see what it looks like. So you saw all the time I was switching between the dog and the cat. So the cat is speaking, dog is speaking, but the cat actually started. So what we're gonna do to start, we click on the flag here. Let's do that. He says hello during 2 seconds. Say hi. How are you? Doing okay? Yeah. There we go. So now it's time to test, guys, but I've noticed that I have made some mistakes. It's not really big mistakes, but I have kind of mixed the broadcast, and when I receive broadcast, you can see for the dog and for the cat. So the cat say when the cat send hi, says I receive hi, say how are you. After that, he goes to how are you. After that, the cat says how are you, dog. And we say how are you, dog. And the dog say how are you, cat. So how are you, cat. And finally the cat say I'm okay, dog. And that's a hand. So I've made a small mistake in that. So just have a look here. So this is the real diagram. So let's test it now and see how it does. Hello. Hi, say the dog. How are you, dog? I'm doing okay. How are you, cat? I'm doing okay, dog. Okay, I'm barking. So that's more or less it, guys. There we go. That's more or less how it works for the communication. And if you have any question, please leave them in the comments. If you like the article, please share it, give it a like. We're also on social media like Facebook, Twitter, so give it a like and share it with your friends, and see you for the next story.
Worth the shame. Oh, tell the Reaper that I'm sorry. I never wanna harm me, but the voice is so alarming. Tonight.